Howdy ho, bitches! Yeah! Well, here you go. Welcome to another episode of Cure the Munchies Bastard Style. With me, GB. I'm a bastard. It's been a while since I put out a Cure the Munchies video. 10 months, exactly. So, let's have some fun, bitches. We're gonna make one of my all-time favorite Cure the Munchies tonight. First, you know, I'm decently drunk, and I'm kinda high, and I'm fucking hungry. And you know what? The stars have aligned, and hey, I got what it takes to make this tonight, and video it. Cheers, big ears. Welcome to Drunk Cooking and High Cooking 101. Bitches. You don't like it? Fuck right off. Oh, that's good. So tonight, we're making grilled spaghetti and cheese sandwich. Fuck, I love this. And it's so fucking simple. It's tricky when you gotta flip it because it can go everywhere. But, hey, spaghetti on toast is one of my favorites. If you've never heard of spaghetti on toast or had it before, then, you know, you got a fucking problem. Grilled cheese, another one of my favorites. If you never heard of that, well, then you're completely fucked. So when you mix the two together, you get a glorious fucking occasion. So, I got here some Dumpsters white bread. Dumpsters. Controversy. We got the old piss flaps provolone. If you can't get your lips around some piss flaps, then fucking stay out of her. Good shit. We got no name real mozzarella cheese slices. And we have some shredded old cheddar here, which you'll see where that's going. We have some leftover spaghetti, because I made a big vat of spaghetti sauce there a little while ago, and yeah, well, it's left over from what I didn't eat from one night. So you know what? We're gonna pour that in there and mix it around. And we got some chili flakes. So there you go. And yeah, take these grated old cheddar. Is that enough? And we'll mix that around and see what happens. Give it a mix-a-roo. Give it some, a little cohesiveness. Okay. Yep, we can use a little more in there. I fucking love this snack. It's fucking great. That's good enough. A little more. Okay. Is there anything wrong with too much cheese? Rarely. So, we'll mix that around. Boom. And we'll be back. There you go. Fuck yeah. That's fucking great. Oh look, there's some on my fork. No, there isn't. That's fucking good. Yummy. Alright, bitches. We'll be back. Cheers, big ears. Oh, this is gonna be a good Cure the Munchies video, I hope. Woo! Make sure you check out the Cure the Munchies playlist, bitches. Because we cure the munchies many ways. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. Woo! Fuck yeah. I'm excited about this. This is fucking good. So, we have our real, no-name mozzarella cheese slices. Mozzarella. We'll put 2 of these babies down. 1. Uno. Dos. Hey, Dos. Where are you, Dos? Don't be a Dos. 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 Minimum. It's from John from Cincinnati. Go watch that show. It's a good fucking show, man. Piss Flaps Provolone. This one is President Choice. Same company. This is the high-end shit. That's the welfare shit. There, bitch nuts. And a provolone. Watch, yeah, fuck. This stuff is the hardest fucking shit to separate. Here we go. 1 provolone. We'll have another provolone for later. So that's 2 mozzarellas and 1 Piss Flaps provolone. You gotta go in a bag. I hate these Rio-Seal fucking bullshit fucking things. They don't seal. They don't seal where the fuck. Okay, spaghetti. Don't drop you. Are we gonna use it all? I don't know, maybe. And don't forget, we got some shredded old cheddar in there. That seems almost like enough. Almost. A little more in here. Okay. Bitchy. Make bitch nuts. A little more here. Fuck yeah. Fuck, this is gonna fucking be... how would MMT say it? Oozing. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah, that's good. Here. Let's just make sure that's good. Taste it. Again. That's good. Alright. Yahoo. It's enough for you. Chili flakes. Just a bit. Okay. Grana Padano. And you know what Grana Padano means, right? Sorry, buddy. Love you, buddy. Elbow shot. There you go. Cheese number 2 or 3, or this is cheese number 4. There you go. Fuck yeah. Oh, the pan is warming up, by the way. And then more Piss Flaps provolone. God bless the Piss Flaps. Mozzarella, no name. The last 2 pieces. Fuck great fucking cockhole. There you go. Fuck yeah. Boom. Okay. Oh yeah, it's gonna fucking slide everywhere. It's gonna be, oh yeah. Okay. You in the fridge. Margarine. If you want to use butter, use butter. I'm using the old base L today. Fuck you. Alright, bitches. Here we are. If you want a lid, use a lid. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's kind of like Prozac. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. We'll see what happens. Every day is different. Okay. This is fucking gonna be brutal. Uh-oh, look at it, I'm already dropping shit. Boom. Yummy. Okay, it's already almost kind of lopsided here. Go away. Where's my knife? Margarine on top. Beer in me. A little too hot. Okay. Get every fucking part of it. Yeah, this one's gonna be a wobbler. Okay. Bye for you. You want the cheese to melt faster? Put a lid on it. Yeah, we got some spaghetti out the side and out the bottom. There you go. For the people that enjoy lids. I think I need another beer. So, we got this go for about, I don't know, 2 minutes or so. Then we're gonna flip it. Remember, this is for drunks and stoners, so we're fucking high. We're curing our munchies. We don't need to have an abomination. Woo! Fuck, this is gonna be good. I need another beer. Another pizza day tomorrow. Not sure what kind of pizza is going to be made, but it's going to be pizza. Dough is already made. If you don't make your own pizza dough, there's something wrong with you. Don't be a bitch. Don't buy that fucking biscuit thing. Big already made biscuit. Here, just put your sauce on it. I had to show you. Say, oh, you fucked it up. No, it's kind of good. Alright, bitches, we'll be back. Woo! I'm gonna flip her again. Alright, bitches. I didn't flip it again, I just turned her down a bit. A notch. Which I normally don't do. I normally flip it. And cheers, big ears. Cheers, big ears. Alright. Smells amazing. The cheese is... Wait, what's that American word? Melty! The cheese is melty. What the fuck is melty? I mean, it's melted, or it's melting. But it's not oozing, but it's close to oozing. I don't know. Wait. There we go. Fuck yeah. Beer. Beer's good. Alright, bitches. Let's go over there. But before we do, cheers, big ears. That's what it looks like from here. And look, some cheese oozed out. So we got some nice fried cheese there. It's fucking good. But yeah, look. Oh yeah. That's fucking great. Alright. Let's get over there. RTFO. Woo! Alright, bitches. Let's cut this bitch open. It's been sitting here long enough. it's actually cooling down. So our cheese will not be oozing. Not very nice to use a sharp knife on your Royal Dalton china. But you know what? I'm a piss tank. Shit happens. There you go. But you know what? That's a whole lot of goodness right there. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah. I love this sandwich. Fuck me. That is so fucking good. Oh yeah. That's the bottom. People are saying, I can imagine people saying, hey, you didn't show the bottom, it's burned. No, there you go. That cheese is burned. But the toast is not burned. Or the bread. Fuck, this is good. Fuck me. Fuck yeah. There you go. Grilled spaghetti and cheese sandwich, bitches. Fucking do it. I've been making this for decades. Oozing. Yeah. Fuck yeah. God, it's fucking great. Alright, bitches. You know how to do it. Fucking do it. Make it. Eat it. Like it. Shut the fuck up. And drink beers. Cheers, big ears. No tea tonight. AMF. Stay off the pipe. Motherfuckers.